Yeah, I was thinking, what was I thinking? Yeah. I was thinking, you know, like McDonald's, right? You got that character, Ronald McDonald's, right? Ronald. He's like a clown, right? He got the clown shoes, right? They call those supersize shoes. You got those supersize. That's what they do over at McDonald's. You got that one, that one. Okay. I hope so. But I was thinking, I saw like the A&W, like burgers, right? Like they have the A&W discount, senior discount. They probably get on the grandpa burgers. You know. So, okay, no more. Yeah, yeah, that one. I had trouble understanding that one too. But I went to the dollar store, right? I went to dollar store, and for $1, I bought the store. No, okay. Hold on, my papers. Oh yeah. I thought like, you know, like dogs are 7 times their age, right? Yeah. So in dogs like 1, that's like 7. In other words, they're ahead of their time, you know? They're like geniuses. You know? Yeah. So like they're also 7 times smarter. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking, I think it's tough to be, yeah, I think it's tough to be the wolf man, right? Because every day is a bad hair day. Yeah, you got you, okay. I'm on the roll now. Okay. I was like, you know what time it is? Time for a haircut. I think we got the wolf. Good soundtrack. Good soundtrack. Yeah. I was thinking, you know that TV show Pinky and the Brain, right? Remember the Brain? He's the genius, right? What's your favorite type of cheese? Not Swiss cheese. Cheese whiz. Cheese whiz. That's favorite type of cheese. Yeah. Hold on. I did the Ronald McDonald shoe one, right?
Yep.
Okay. Supersize shoes. Hold on. Almost done. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking like imagine like Superman, right? Like what does he dress up as on? Hello? Like imagine Superman, like what does he dress up as on Halloween, you know? Clark Kent? Yeah, you guys like that one, that's good.
Find that one. So fantastic.
Yeah? Don't worry, more jokes is coming. Yeah, I was thinking, you know, like I was on the internet, right? I was watching something on the internet, and I like sometimes it stops and goes, like it freezes up and then it goes, freezes up and goes. So when I got off the computer, I went outside and I'm like, wow. I got so happy that real life got good connection, you know? Nothing freezes. Okay. I don't know, I'm already sweating, I don't know why. I don't know, I gotta put on deodorant next time. Well, let's get finish off with. I'll tell you this, folks. I went over to El Barrio and I did pretty bad. That's a big so much, folks.